file name. Now you can see this file name having an input substring, therefore you are able to make it. But if you make this condition, make the condition with equal operator, this won't be true, right? Let's run it. You will find here it's still running. Refresh. Now you can see only one activity was run because your condition is not meeting. If you are using equal operator, you have to be using exactly name, but it doesn't matter you are using a uppercase or lowercase, so it is a non case sensitive value. So let's see here. Now you can see this is your file name. You have to match exactly, then it will be execute next activity. Let's come here and include section. You have to put exactly same name. Now you can see this time will be execute next activity. Refresh. Now for success. Now you can see next activity was executed because you are able to, because your condition is meeting. I hope you understand the difference between equals and contains. Both are same, but there is a only one difference that will match substring, and if you are using equals, that will match exactly name, right? And you have another operator that isn't start with. So how I can test with? Let's see, you have an file path, right? And file path variable, so I will make it condition on this published data. And use .NET activity, and then I will use file text read line and connect to this activity, and I will next activity, check in, run it, and refresh. I got success. Let's see, now you can see next activity is running. So using this you can create your condition also. Let's here what we have to do, you can create more than one condition here, right? So let's create here, add three condition I want to make here. First condition is on status is success, and second condition I want to make on this file existence and equal to true. Second condition I want to make on file name contain. If you create here more than one conditions are joined using a or operator. Now you can see or, right? So these are used with or operator, logical operator. So if any one condition become true, the next activity will be run. But you want to be execute when all condition become true. So you have to take an help exclude parameter. Here you have to be make this condition as a false. So how you can make a condition? Let's try to see here. Instead of input I want to be check here test, right? So this don't become a true, right? And file status equal true. Let's make it here false. There will be only one condition true, so it should execute next activity because finish check in. Now let's run refresh got success. Let's see, now you can see next activity is running because all condition having an true, but in exclude parameter we will make the false condition for that, right? So that we can make and logical operator there.